Another day. We have a contractor here finishing up a kitchen, and we are installing their faucets. And we're doing a garbage disposal without a switch. This is with a push button. It's a pneumatic adapter from Insinkerator. And let me see if I can get you the box picture. So basically what this does is bypasses the need for a switch. So you'll have the switch right here at the countertop, over here, and then that'll go to this device. It's kind of like a pneumatic, basically it's a pneumatic switch. It'll go, the valve will go there. This one will go straight into the outlet plug, and then there's an additional outlet right here where the garbage disposal will connect, and that should bypass our switch. So that's what we'll do right now. And now we have this exhaust hood that the electricians are installing in the way, but should stop us from putting in that switch. We placed the Insinkerator pneumatic push button part right there, and we have our Insinkerator garbage disposal, 3/4, all done. The bottom trap out. Simplicity and elegance, or elegance and simplicity. Yeah, so that one will connect over to our power cord back here, and then we'll get our connections done. We have our outlet back here connecting. Let me see if I can get you. Our outlet that connects to the switch up here, and then the garbage disposal. Garbage disposal will connect to the unit itself right there, and then that controls the pump over here. And all we're gonna do is clean up the wires a little bit. Here we are. That's cleaned up. That's cleaned up. Doesn't look so messy. Shout out to Insinkerator for making awesome products that are functional. And if you can tell right now, we got our switch right here. And here's your pressure switch, garbage disposal.